we are discussing a few things that you can do better, that you're already doing. It's pretty okay and you know you can do it better. So I want to share my insights on how you can do it better. Mom bun. I am in a mom bun right now and I could definitely do it better, because you know what? If I don't take care, my hair is going to continue to break, and by end of the day I'm going to have a lot of flyaways which are actually breakage. So how you can do the mom bun better is apply something moisturizing to keep this hair moisturized while your hair is in the bun. It's very simple, and I'm sure most of you already know, but it doesn't come to our mind. I mean, we have a life so we just want to get to our chores and you forget. So let this be your reminder. You can use a small amount of, tiniest amount of leave-in. Look, that's it. This should not take a lot of your time. And then you add water, okay, so that the leave-in is nice and creamy in your hands. And what you do is just spread it over this exposed area, and then get into your mom bun, which, by the way, you can do, the curly community suggests that you do it in a silk scrunchie, but not all of us can have access to it or can afford silk things. So there's a velvet scrunchie and this one. I love this one, but I know it's cotton. I love that it has a great hold. Okay, so what you can do is, you're getting into your mom bun. Take a nice trusty scrunchie and just, that's it. Just don't twist it like many times, because that is definitely going to cause breakage. So if you just have a nice tight one, it can give you hold. So the cream that you applied, it's going to help you avoid the breakage. You see how nicely everything is sitting? It looks neat also. See? This, by the way, after being in a bun for many hours, take your bun out and give your root a little zhoosh, okay? That means scalp massage, so that all that sweat that has built up, the oil that's just sitting there on your scalp, is probably making your hair flat because of all the oil that's there. So you want to scalp massage from time to time, and you can do this multiple times during the day to give you a quick root lift. But this is something that you do externally. Things what you do before and after you style and during you style, that also adds to root volume. So if you're not already doing, don't apply your conditioner on your roots. Don't apply your styling products on your roots. That way you can avoid hair feeling flat. You can do the zhuzh couple of times during the day to give yourself a root volume, but make sure that your fingers are coming out the way they went in, okay? Because you don't want to put your fingers through your curls. That way you're not disturbing your curls. It's scientifically proven that scalp massages help you stimulate your scalp and thus giving you better, faster hair growth. The slip of any product, number one, comes from the water that you have. So if you have hard water, most likely you're not going to get slip with any of your products. So the way you can do it better is to add drinking water to your hair before you apply your hair mask that you already have. Like, you're asking for a hair mask with good slip because the hair mask you have might not give you slip. So instead of, I definitely tell you about a hair mask deep conditioner in India that has good slip is the Sugar Boo. And I also like the one from True Frog. Both are great, but if you still find you have no slip, add drinking water, filtered water to your hair to get more slip. That's how you can do it better. I've been there. I have washed my hair like every single day because I just wouldn't get the curls I wanted. But you know what? The trick is to let your curls be and let them settle. Now this is like my day 3 hair. I love it when my hair is on day 3. Okay, so 1, you can just leave it alone and see how it looks the next day. It most likely will look better. But if you are just not getting any results on your wash day, then maybe your routine or your products are not right for you. That's like the basic thing. If you don't even get 1 day or maximum 2 days with the things that you're doing, then the things that you have, they're not right. So what you can do better is DM me and like maybe get a one-on-one consultation with me so I can help you figure out your routine. But if not, try protecting your hair while you sleep, while you travel, while you drive. Like have like a silk thing bonnet on the back of your head so that it doesn't keep rubbing against the seat. So there are just a few things you can do to make your curls last. I've watched a lot of videos, so I'm sure you watch a lot of videos from many different hair bloggers, and you will find that everybody's technique is so unique because everybody's hair is so unique. So you're like, okay, how do I scrunch, this way or that way? When in doubt, maybe don't scrunch. No, really, just if your hair is curly, it's going to curl anyway. You don't need scrunching to get your hair to look curly. In fact, I have not scrunched my hair when I style. So if you go #no scrunch method, it's not my method, but #no scrunch method, it's a method. There are thousands of people who don't scrunch their hair and get even better results than scrunching. So the way you can scrunch better, when in doubt, don't scrunch. Here's a easy refresh with 1 product. How can you do it better? Don't apply water on your hair. Okay, that's a major mistake I see, because the classic video tutorials tell you to take a spray bottle and spray your hair with water and then apply product, and that's how you refresh. Maybe don't do that. Maybe what you can do is get your palms wet. Okay, I'm getting my palms wet. And then get a product, say a mousse. Okay, mousse is like a one and done because it gives you hold and it gives you moisture also if you use the right type of mousse. So the way you refresh and you do it better with 1 product is wet your palms and graze your hair. Okay, just graze it so you don't disturb your curl families. Okay, I'm just going to do it one side so you see the difference. I anyway needed to refresh my hair, so this was a good idea to do. And then the thing is, what you can do better here is to diffuse immediately. If you refresh your hair and air dry, you might get stringy curls. So the way you would do refresh better is to do it this way and then diffuse immediately. So I'll show you how I do that. And then I just want to show you the results. How would it look if you just diffuse it quick? See? So you'd likely get better results by refreshing it this way than spraying your hair with water. So see, 1 product, simple way. I'll show you closely. This was this side which is not refreshed, and this side is refreshed, so it's shinier than this. sweaty scalp or is it oily scalp? You need to know the difference. So one way to do it better is to understand the difference. Like, is it really sweaty or is it oily? If it's sweaty, then you could just air dry it. Like, let your hair loose, get it off the mom bun and zhuzh it. And then you could even use your diffuser to dry your scalp if it's feeling sweaty. Like, if you worked out, you're likely sweaty, like, obviously. So you need to dry your hair out so your scalp is also dry. But if it's oily and you feel like it's sweaty, like you just feel like things are just oozing out of your scalp, sometimes it feels that way. Okay, it happens to me when I've applied too much product. I feel like, oh, okay, no, my scalp is like kind of reacting to those products being in my scalp, you see. So if it's oily, don't apply products near your scalp. Don't apply harsh shampoos 2-3 times a week. That can lead to oily scalp, like, definitely, because your scalp is likely irritated. So don't use products that irritate your scalp. So yeah, that's how you can do it better. All right, so those are the questions. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you next Tuesday.